In this video, you'll learn how to change your payment method in eBay. This process will enable you to update your payment information, ensuring a smooth purchasing. Begin by signing into your eBay account with your registered email address and password. Once you are logged in, locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down management, and then select Account Settings to access your account management options. On the Account Settings page, find the section labeled Payments or Payment Methods. This section provides access to all your saved payment options associated with eBay. Confirm that you're in the correct area before making any changes to your payment method. Within the Payment Settings area, you will see a list of your currently saved payment methods. These methods may include credit cards, debit cards, PayPal accounts, or other supported payment services. Identify the payment method you wish to change or replace. If you prefer to add a new payment option, look for the button labeled Add Payment Option. When you select to add a new method, input the updated payment information with care. Ensure that all details such as card number, expiration date, and billing address are entered accurately. Double checking this information is crucial, as errors may lead to payment issues. After you have entered the new payment details, click the Save or Confirm button to update your account. eBay may prompt you to verify the payment method for security reasons. Once you complete the verification, the new payment method will be displayed in your payment options list. You also have the option to set this new method as your default for future transactions. Always review the saved details to confirm their accuracy. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.